Hello, dreamers. How is everyone doing? Quick update on my portfolio. My year-to-date performance is I'm up around 5%, 4.96 exactly. And my dividend income is around $20,000. It's averaging around $5,000 per each month dividend income. Yeah, but this dividend income is just not in a regular tax account. There are several IRAs and other things, so don't consider this my dividend income that I can take it out. So this is across several different accounts. So let me uh, go to the charts and let me give you guys quick update what I'm seeing here and how I'm going to play the market this week. QQQ, like I said earlier, if you guys followed me last week, I clearly said there'll be a huge resistance here at 491, 492. We are at 488 right now. So if you guys see, it went all the way there and it closed at 488. There'll be resistance here. If this continues, if this breaches this, there is no stopping and all the way to previous highs. So there's we can go all the way to 539 and then there'll be resistance there. But we need to cross this with good volume next week. If there are any trade deals, tariff deals, and I believe Wednesday Fed is also talking, and if Fed comes out and say for June there'll be one rate cut, this that will take us there. So keep an eye on this level. This It will be really bullish once we cross this 492. Please uh, keep an eye on it. There's a lot more money to be made from here to here. Let me see how much percentage from here to here. From here to all the way here, almost we can make around 10%, right? So 10% in 10% on QQQ, NASDAQ. That means if you have a high beta stock of 1.5 or 2, you can make more money, 15 to 20% on each stock. So you can make on your portfolio, you can make 15 to 20% in your portfolio. Keep an eye on that, but we need to cross this particular level. Keep an eye on that. And Nvidia, last week I said it has to cross that 113. Finally, it closed at 114, 114.50. Uh, I So if you see here, the next resistance is at 121. Uh, but I believe there is a chance that Nvidia will go through all these towards the endings. Endings are on 28th. Keep an eye on Nvidia. There's a chance that it will go all the way here and then there'll be chop and then it'll go to the previous high. But keep an eye on Nvidia. I like Nvidia chart right now. It crossed that 113. So if market helps, and Nvidia will continue going up. uh, Amazing strategies, amazing chart here. This is the best chart that I know out there. It's in third wave. Third wave is the huge and biggest wave for in EWT. Wave one, there's a correction. Wave two, and then wave three. Right now we are mid around 394. That point 0.5 is 403. I feel like this will go all the way to 501, and before then there'll be a correction going towards the new highs. The old high is around 544, I believe, and then I feel like this can take us there to the new highs. Keep an eye on strategy. There's a lot more money to be made. There's several ways to play this. Leave comments. Let me know if you guys want to know more how to play MSTR. I can give you guys a few ideas. Yeah, UPST, if you guys followed me last week, I clearly said it has to cross this 55. They released some good news last week. I believe it's the Thursday on Friday that now they are working with Walmart One Pay. That's a huge win for UPST. I think UPST will beat the earnings, and they are releasing on Tuesday, if at all possible, based on the options. The move look like it can go either 18% up or 18% down. So that means if 18% down, it will take towards that 65, and 18% down will breach the this $30. So keep an eye on UPST, but it still did not cross this 55. I didn't like it, but it's still positive. It can continue this wave five. The current results based on the previous conference call, this should beat this 100 around 90 or $100. I am waiting for UPST to go towards that 110 and 120. I'm not sure if this earnings season will take us there, but if they release good results, I am hoping they will. The only reason I'm saying hoping, I thought they will beat, but Square XYZ, they did not release good results. But UPST have a different business. I'm hoping they will release good results because they're using AI to write the loans and everything. Just keep an eye. There's a lot more money to be made. This UPST can go towards 90 $100. Not sure when, but it has to cross this $55 first. SMCI, they did not release good results. It's very choppy. It's not. I have few shares in SMCI. I'm thinking of getting out of SMCI. It's a very choppy chart. I don't want to continue on SMCI. I will not provide any more updates to you guys on SMCI. AMD, last week I told you guys complete that wave five, but it's continuing wave one, wave two, and then it's in wave three right now. It is towards the 0.236, and this it can go all the way to 132, correcting to 111, and then it'll continue to 148. Keep an eye on AMD. The chart is looking great. Again, results are on Tuesday. There's so many results are on Tuesday. There's a lot more money to be made. And if you guys have so many stocks that are releasing on Tuesday, maybe just buy productive puts, not on individual stock, maybe on QQQ. Buy SQQ. Um, this is SQQ. I usually buy SQQ buy, so it's all the way, it went all the way up to 57. Here at 28, just buy few 300 or 500 of them for protect you if the stock, if some of the stock goes down and the QQQ also goes down with the stocks, you can make some money. Um, Again, Unity is not looking great. It is continuing that five wave up. So it's a bunch of ABCs, ABCs. If you see A, B, C, A, B, C, it's just totally flat. I originally thought this is continuing wave one, one, two, three, four, five, but then with the recent correction, it corrected more than since it crossed this wave two. So the wave five is not there anymore. So it's a bunch of ABCs. I'm thinking maybe this will be the new wave five. I like the company. Last ending results, they beat the market. Uh, they said that they are adding AI, and they will be implementing AI. I think by end of first quarter, they'll start making some money, and second quarter will be huge too. So keep an eye on Unity. There's a chance that it'll go towards the $30 $40. Keep an eye on it. App and Unity are in similar business right now, but App exited the games, and Unity is still doing games and ads, and App just doing ads right now, digital ads for games. So it has that five wave up, one, two, three, four, five. Amazing stock from all the way $68 to $520. Then there's a huge correction, A, B, C. Now I'm thinking there's a five wave started again. So one, two, so the wave three, and again, I believe Wednesday results, both Unity and App, they're releasing on the same day. If Unity continues, if you see last two quarters, they made so much money. If you see here, it's up almost from here to here, around 80%. Then again here, from here to here, around 36%. So yeah, app 11 app, huge moves. There's a chance that it can go towards this 450, and then before settling down and continuing to 542. Keep an eye on app 11. There's so much money to be made. There was a short report that came, and they said that app loving breaking several rules by Meta and everything, but app loving still continuing the business. So keep an eye on app. There's a lot more money to be made. Tesla again, it's at the 290 resistance. It is at that resistance. It needs to cross the 295 $300 to continue to the wave, fifth wave. It's still looking good, decent, but it needs to cross this 292. Keep an eye on Tesla. SPY is looking better than QQQ. It crossed this 560, but the next resistance is that 577. There's a lot more there, but QQQ have immediate resistance right here. Um, QQQ has immediate resistance right here on Monday, and but SPY has little more space hitting the resistance. Keep an eye on SPY. There's a lot more money to be made here. What else to add? I believe that's all, guys. Please subscribe, click on that bell icon. I'll come out with great content. Please, we need more subscribers and we need some encouragements. Leave some comments what you guys want to hear from us. If you guys want us to review few tickers, please let us know. We can do some EWT and get back to you guys. Thanks, everyone. Good luck with trading.